Have you noticed that the current temperature has become warmer lately? In just last year, NASA has recorded that 2023 as the warmest temperature that ever been recorded since 1800 ago. This is what we call as the effect of the climate change, one of the priority issue of the UN SDGs number 13 climate action. Greetings to all honorable judges and my fellow colleagues. My name is Chandra Sentosa and I'm here representing Universitas Sumatera Utara and Mahasiswa Berprestasi. I will talking about the collaborative effort of a triangle stakeholder as one of effort to reduce the plastic waste, consisting of three major topics. The first one, what is UN SDGs number 13 involved? The second, what is the current challenges? And the third, what is the solution that we can offer to tackle the problems? Starting with the first point, what is UN SDGs number 13? It's mainly talking about building a sustainable community and society, balancing between the environment and also social and economic development. Why this has become important? Because lately, the number of disasters caused by the climate change has become rising in terms of frequency, scale, and also intensity. This causing a damage cost, especially crucial for a vulnerable country such as developing country like Indonesia with minimum budget and also weak infrastructure. This also might jeopardize the stability and exposing the others go to the risk. Because imagine how we are able to build a quality of education if we don't have any planets that we're living on. These circumstances bring us to the second point smoothly. What is the current challenges? It's coming from our surrounding, which is a plastic waste. Plastic waste has become a problematic issue starting from its production, that using fossil fuel, and the second from the conversion, how to manage the plastic waste still become a huge problem because the majority of the plastic will end up to be burned in the incinerator, causing the carbon dioxide to be released in the air. And the fact that Indonesia, along with the other Asian countries such as India and China, become the major contributor of this plastic management. And this becomes one of issue that need to be tackled very soon and quickly. And it rises to the third question. What is the solution that we can offer? And the answer is a collaborative effort of a triangle stakeholder which consisting of the first, industry as the producer, the second, society as the consumer, and the third, the government as the regulator. With the first perspective, industry need to actively seeking with alternative of sustainable packaging rather than still using a single-use plastic. On the other hand, building a refill distribution center with a more sustainable logistic supply chains is also necessary. From the second perspective of the society as the customer, we also need to do a simple action by taking our own tumbler rather than using a plastic bottle or bringing our own tote bag rather than using a single-use plastic. It's one of the simple actions but can mean significantly to our planet. And lastly, from the government, it's also necessary to building an environment where the regulation regulates the sustainability issue for the industry and also for the society. So in conclusion, for us to tackling the problem of the plastic waste that contributing to the climate change and greenhouse gas emission, it is necessary to have the collaboration among all the stakeholders to protect our world and saving our planet. And last but not least, if you refuse to reduce, it's actually the earth that you are abused. My name is Chandra Sentosa and thank you so much for your attention.